Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go stop sound or turn off sound. Do you know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go stop or turn off sound? You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about Monopoly Go and you will enter. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. And be attention, don't click clear data because that can make a lot of problems or issues that you have on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.